another Barkbox. And today I'm here with Casper. Are you ready to open it, Casper? Are you ready to open it? Ready to open it? Okay, he's trying. Alright. Okay, so this month it is Sit Stay Spa Day. So the first one that he's already done pulled out. It came a little late this month. But first one is squeakyless. Okay, hold on, let me take this off. And I had the medium size box. It has a squeaker and a crazy crinkle. It says behind the squeaks. Dogs love the squeaker base and the crinkly leaves. They also love chewing on a plant, consequence-free, at last. So, this second toy, per each box, you get 2 toys and 2 things of treats and a hard shoe. So the second toy we got says relax and chinchilla. You can't have this, you have the toys. It has a squeaker and a crazy crinkle. It says behind the squeaks. Tuck a treat under the towel and make this squeaky toy even more irresistible. P.S. Did you know chinchillas prefer dust baths to wet baths? This fun fact is your reward for reading the hashtag. Here. So, it has H2O on its stomach, and you can hide a treat inside. And oh, that was so cute. Alright, so the 2 treats. The first one that we got is Moo Moo Jerky Bar. It is beef recipe. He's ready. It is busting with US beef, chewy jerky, and no grains added. Hold on. Ooh, it does smell like jerky. Alright. Paw. Paw. Down. Good boy. Save some for later. Second one is gobble jerky sticks. It is turkey recipe with sweet potatoes. It's turkey time. This mini treat contains over 60% fresh American turkey. We're bigger on birds. It's chewy jerky and it has real sweet potatoes. Ooh, this one's a stick. And our hard chew is Jones. You can't have it in the plastic. It's Jones Natural Chews. It is a liver log. Beef 1 pack. No! No! I got to open it. Sorry, my phone battery died. So, this is what we could have gotten in the Barkbox this month. It has the sweetest massage, the squeakylet, the Pure Pup Juice Cleanse, Sauna in a Sauna, aromatherapy candle, nail polish, the squeaky clean soap, utterly relaxed enchila, mutt mask, and glow up goose. Casper ended up eating the whole thing. Of course, I got the plastic off, but he was too eager to not let me get it. So until next time, we'll see you next month. Bye, guys.